Got another one finished up here, Innovative Car Sound 2012 Dodge Challenger. It was brought in today to do the LED HID upgrade. We've got HID and LEDs all the way around with the switchback turn signals. Switchback means it runs white while you're going straight to match up with the rest of the lights. As soon as you hit the turn signal, it'll flash the golden amber color. Now we'll go and move it to the other side. Now the driver's side is solid white and the passenger side is now going to the golden amber. We've got them in stock for most vehicles here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6. Closed on Sunday. And we'll see you guys on the next one.